Very often, I am defending the fact that a trader can help with revenue growth. The trader is the one, the DSP expert within the team, the one uploading creative, setting up the campaign, things like that. This is really simplified. The trader does a lot more, but basically, they're the DSP expert. And so, my argument is that if a trader does a good job, the client will continue spending with us, even if it's seasonal. They'll come back. So if a salesperson's role, again, simplifying things, okay, I want to honor you and your job description, you're doing a lot. But if I have to simplify in one sentence, both trader and salespeople, the salesperson is bringing that new revenue in, right? The client service person, client success team person is maintaining, managing that relationship when it's on board. Now the planner makes a media plan strategy, but like the trader is the one who's actually going to activate. That's why I call it the activation team, that they're going to turn on whatever was sold, planned for, etc. But if we are able to increase the client's results, we're able to increase performance, then we help nurture this relationship. So if you're a manager hearing this, let me tell you right now how important it is to invest in those traders. The more they spend time in the DSP, the better it is. That's true. But let me also tell you, the more the salesperson and client success team member spend time with the trader and the planner, the better it is. Even that reporting analyst person that does the reporting, let's say, assuming that it's different than a trader or whoever, right? So it's important for the team to have weekly check-ins on things, but it's also important for everyone else on the team to allow the trader to have a voice, a respected, honored voice. Okay. Because they're working in this platform, they're optimizing. Okay. So, y'all, salespeople, client service, I need you to quiet down and allow them to formulate their thoughts and then come in as a partner. That's the secret sauce, boo. That is the secret sauce. Every time a salesperson, a client success team, whoever is client facing basically, comes close to a trader or whoever is managing that relationship or that partnership or that campaign, it's a winning team. Okay. Everybody has to respect their rules. Every rules are important. But when we talk about revenue growth, we talk about new revenues and current revenue. And the current revenue, the nurturing of this current revenue, us traders can do a lot for y'all. So we want to be one team. Okay. I'm not saying a family here because that's not what it is. We want to be true partners within each other. And communication needs to happen. Honorable communication. That means when a trader comes to you and say, I think we should do this, you cannot just shut it off and say, that's not going to work for this client. You know your client's best, but don't block somebody's blessing. You don't know if that client could change their mind. Okay. So very often, communication wise, I hear a lot of traders coming back saying, we always get shut down when we give recommendation. Of course, you're going to get shut down. Not all recommendation can be implemented, but like that doesn't mean you should stop. Okay. And whoever is receiving that recommendation, be open-minded. Try to make it work. Try to see, okay, maybe again, don't block anybody's blessing. And I'm talking about your clients. So yes, a trader's role within an agency, within a in-house team, within an agency trading desk is extremely important for revenue growth. Okay. So if you're a trader and you think you're just managing campaign and uploading creative, you're doing bigger than this, especially if, which you should, are optimizing for particular performance for that client. Okay.